Ever wonder if your AC could actually save you money while keeping you cool? Or, maybe even stick around for a few extra sweltering Texas summers?
Yeah, sounds a bit like wishful thinking, doesn't it?
It kind of does. But this deep dive, well, it explores how regular HVAC maintenance might just deliver exactly those kinds of surprising wins.
That's right. We're diving into why taking care of your air conditioning and heating systems is so crucial, especially, when you're dealing with the intense Texas climate.
Yeah.
It's not just about staying comfortable, though that's huge. It's also about making smart financial decisions, really, and protecting a pretty significant investment in your home.
Exactly. And to get the straight story, we've tapped into the long experience of Mr. Cool AC and Heating.
Ah, yeah, those guys know their stuff.
They really do. They've been serving the greater Houston area since way back in 1979, so they've seen firsthand what keeps HVAC systems running strong.
Wow, since 79. That's some serious experience.
Right. So they've shared their expert insights on why regular maintenance is a move that really pays off, and that's what we're digging into today.
Okay.
Our goal is basically to go beyond just, avoiding breakdowns and uncover the unexpected ways this routine task can impact your wallet and, well, your comfort. So let's get to it.
Sounds good. What's fascinating is that a lot of folks only think about their HVAC when something actually breaks down, the panic call.
Oh, yeah, in the little August panic call.
Exactly. But as the experts at Mr. Cool AC and Heating can tell you, the benefits of regular upkeep, well, they extend far beyond just preventing those emergency calls.
Absolutely. And I think one of the biggest surprises for many is the direct hit their energy bills take when their system isn't running efficiently. Those summer AC bills, especially here, can be brutal, can't they?
They certainly can, yeah. And a key point Mr. Cool emphasizes is that a well-maintained system just operates much more efficiently. Think of it this way. Buildup of dust and grime on components like the coils, it acts like an insulator, basically.
Right, trapping heat or cold where it shouldn't be.
Precisely. It hinders the heat exchange process,
Okay.
and then dirty filters also restrict airflow. Both of these issues make your system work harder than it needs to, just to achieve the temperature you set.
So all that extra effort your system is putting in just to overcome that dirt and blockage, that's directly reflected in higher energy consumption.
That's it. And ultimately, a bigger bill for you.
Oh,
So during a professional maintenance visit, the technicians, they'll thoroughly clean and inspect these critical parts, make sure they're free of debris and functioning optimally.
right.
Mr. Cool highlights that this routine cleaning and inspection, it's fundamental to maximizing efficiency. And yeah, it can lead to tangible savings on your monthly bills. Real money back in your pocket.
Okay, so saving money on energy, that's a huge win.
Definitely. But what about the lifespan of the actual unit itself? These aren't cheap pieces of equipment. You really want them to last as long as possible. That's a crucial consideration, absolutely. Neglecting regular maintenance, according to Mr. Cool's experience, it's a direct path to shortening the lifespan of your HVAC system. They've seen how seemingly minor, unaddressed issues can put, undue strain on the whole system. And that leads to premature wear and tear on those expensive components, the compressor, the fan motor, things like that.
Yeah, it's kind of like ignoring a small squeak in your car, right? It might seem minor at first, but it could be a sign of a bigger problem brewing that'll cost you way more down the line.
Exactly that analogy. With HVAC, catching those little things early, a worn belt, maybe low refrigerant, a connection that's a bit loose, can save you from a much larger expense later, like a full system replacement.
Which nobody wants to face unexpectedly.
Nobody. So routine tune-ups involve crucial steps, like lubricating moving parts to reduce friction, checking all the electrical connections to prevent energy loss, and, frankly, potential hazards.
Right.
And ensuring the correct refrigerant levels for optimal cooling capacity. Mr. Cool explains that these proactive measures just allow the system to operate with less stress.
Less stress on the machine.
Exactly, which directly contributes to a longer operational life. They've seen it firsthand how consistent care can add years, literally years, to the lifespan of an AC and heating unit.
Now, here's something that might not immediately jump to mind for homeowners. The manufacturer's warranty on their HVAC system. That piece of paper you file away.
Oh, this is a really important safeguard for your investment, you're right. And as Mr. Cool points out, many manufacturers actually stipulate that regular professional maintenance is required to keep that warranty valid.
Wait, really? Required?
Often, yes.
Yeah.
Skipping those annual checkups could inadvertently void your warranty,
Oh, wow.
which leaves you responsible for potentially significant repair costs, if, say, a major component fails while it should have still been under warranty.
Ouch. Okay, that's a really expensive risk to take just by skipping a maintenance call.
It really is. So by keeping up with regular maintenance, you're not just taking care of your current comfort, you're also protecting yourself against those potential future expenses by keeping that warranty intact.
That makes sense.
Absolutely. Mr. Cool even notes that their detailed maintenance records, the paperwork they provide, can serve as the necessary documentation to prove you've done regular service. Gives homeowners valuable peace of mind that their warranty remains valid.
Okay, good to know. So beyond the financial side of things, saving money, protecting the warranty, making it last longer, what about just the plain old comfort level inside your home? Does regular maintenance make a difference there?
It absolutely does. Mr. Cool emphasizes that regular maintenance helps ensure your system provides consistent temperatures throughout your home. It helps prevent those frustrating situations where one room feels like the Arctic, while another is still sweltering in the Texas heat.
Oh, I know that feeling all too well. It's incredibly annoying. So a well-maintained system delivers more balanced and reliable comfort.
Exactly. And furthermore, maintenance typically includes checking and cleaning or replacing filters, and inspecting the ductwork for leaks or blockages.
Ah, the ducts too. Right.
Yeah, and Mr. Cool highlights that this is vital for your indoor air quality. A clean system circulates cleaner air. Simple as that.
Okay.
It reduces the amount of dust, allergens, pet dander, other pollutants, which, contributes to a healthier living environment for you and your family. Especially important if anyone has allergies or respiratory issues.
So it's not just about staying cool or warm, it's actually about breathing easier too. That's a big one. It sounds like Mr. Cool AC and Heating really tries to make this whole process straightforward for homeowners. I think you mentioned they even have a special offer for folks who haven't used their services before.
They do, yeah. Mr. Cool is offering a $49.99 first-time service call. Now, there are certain conditions. You'd want to confirm the details with them directly, of course.
Sure, sure.
But they see it as a great way for new customers in the Houston and Cypress areas to experience their service firsthand without a significant initial outlay.
That's a pretty good deal to just get things checked out.
It is.
Yeah.
And importantly, they service all makes and models of HVAC systems. So it doesn't matter what brand you have.
Good to know. Okay, so just to kind of wrap it all up then. Keeping up with regular HVAC maintenance is, well, it's way more than just avoiding those middle-of-the-night emergency breakdowns.
Definitely.
It can seriously lower your energy bills by making sure your system is running efficiently. It can extend the life of your valuable AC and heating units by catching those small issues before they become big, expensive problems. It protects your manufacturer's warranty, which, as we learned, often requires proof of upkeep. And, maybe just as importantly, it boosts your comfort and the quality of the air you breathe at home.
That's a great summary. You nailed the key points. And think about the potential long-term savings. Again, a system that's regularly tuned up is like having, I don't know, a well-oiled machine that doesn't guzzle energy.
Yeah.
And those extra years you might get out of your AC unit. That could really push back a major replacement expense, maybe by several years. That's significant savings.
For sure. So if you're listening and you're in the greater Houston or Cypress area and all this has got you thinking about the state of your own HVAC system, well, Mr. Cool AC and Heating has that first-time service call offer for $49.99.
Yep.
You can give them a call at 281-859-7937. That's 281-859-7937. Or you can send them an email at mrcoolair@gmail.com to get more details or, schedule a maintenance appointment.
And remember, they work on all makes and models, so whatever system you have, they can likely help out.
Right.
This whole conversation prompts an important thought, maybe. What if proactively caring for the systems we rely on most in our homes, like our HVAC, was actually a simple key to greater comfort, financial savings, and maybe even just a bit more peace of mind?
Yeah, it's certainly something worth considering, isn't it? How that little bit of proactive care could make a pretty big difference.